Is your Infiniti M35 key fob not working? First, determine if it's a dead battery or synchronization issue. Common symptoms include dim or unresponsive fob lights, a vehicle that doesn't unlock, or a key not detected error. The most frequent cause is a dead CR2032 battery. These batteries typically cost $5 to $10. Open the key fob using a small screwdriver, remove the old battery, and replace it with a new CR2032, 3 volts positive side up. After replacement, test the fob. If it still doesn't work, you likely need to perform an intelligent key relearn procedure. Note that extreme temperatures can accelerate battery drain, so annual checks are advisable. If DIY isn't your strength, consider visiting a trusted mechanic. If a new battery doesn't solve the problem, try the intelligent key relearn procedure. First, ensure all doors are closed and unlocked. Insert the key into the ignition and cycle it to the on position without starting the engine 5 times within 10 seconds. Turn the ignition off and remove the key. Immediately press and hold the lock button on the key fob for 5 seconds. This should resync the fob with your car's BCM, the body control module. If this DIY relearn fails, a professional tool like a Nissan Consult 3 scanner may be needed to diagnose potential BCM faults. Such repairs can cost $100 to $300. Remember, garages can save you time if you lack experience with car issues.